pH of a substance is a measure of the acidity of a substance on a scale from 0 to 14 grade. The pH of a substance is calculated by that familiar-looking formula, pH equals negative log X, where X is the hydrogen ion concentration of a substance in moles per liter. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the hydrogen ion concentration of a substance and the pH of a substance? All right. A substance with a pH of 4 has 10 times the hydrogen ion concentration of a substance with a pH of 3. I don't know. A substance with a pH of 4 has 1/10 the hydrogen ion concentration as a substance with a pH of... So basically what I really need to do is I need to turn this into, like it wants me to find 10 times. I need to turn this into its exponential counterpart. So pH equals negative log invisible base 10 of X. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides, so now it looks like this. I'm going to multiply both sides by -1, so now I have that. I'm going to turn that into its exponential friend. So what that looks like is 10 to the negative pH is going to equal X. And X stood for the ion concentration, or the hydrogen ion concentration, the hic for all of you people who live down south. Sorry if I offended you. A substance with a pH of 4 has 10 times the hydrogen ion concentration. All right, so if the pH is 4, all right, that means if the pH is 4, that's 10 to the negative 4th. 10 to the negative 4th is the same as 1 over 10 to the 4th, which is 1 over 10,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty small. If it has a hydrogen concentration of 3, or a pH of 3 rather, having it backwards, pH of 3 means I'm going to have 10 to the negative 3rd, which is 1 over 10 to the regular 3rd, which is 1 over 1,000. This purple one is 10 times more than the green one. Is that what they wanted? So the 3 is 10 times more than the 4. They said the 4 is 10 times more than the 3. No. The substance with the pH of 4 is 1/10. Yep. The 4th is 1/10, because if I were to multiply U by 1/10, that works because it's smaller. That's smaller. So it's B. Has nothing to do with adding more to it or subtracting 10 to it. It has to do with taking 1/10 of it. Very interesting problem. Didn't like it at all. Not at all. Hated it, actually. Hated it a lot.